In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Udemy business account. If you're looking to enhance your team's skill set or offer new learning opportunities at your workplace. Setting up a Udemy business account is a great step. It's quite a straightforward process, so let's dive right in and guide you through it. To get started, open up your preferred web browser. It could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you regularly use. Type Udemy Business into the search bar and hit Enter. This search will take you to Udemy's Business Offerings page, where you can explore the platform's features and what it has to offer for your organization. It's worth spending a moment here to understand the wide range of courses and resources available, all designed to bolster professional development across various fields. Once you're on the Udemy Business page, you'll notice there's an option to start a trial. But before jumping into the trial, Udemy requires a bit more detail about your organization. Be prepared to provide some essential information. You'll need to enter your company's work email. It's best to use a general company email if available, in case the account needs to be accessed by multiple stakeholders. Then, you will need to provide your full name and contact information. This is important because Udemy will use this information to communicate with you during the setup process and throughout your trial. Next, specify the number of people you plan to train. This simply gives Udemy an idea of the scope of training resources your company may require. At this stage, you'll also select a subdomain. This subdomain will be a part of the URL your team uses to access your company's Udemy business portal. Lastly, create a secure password. It should be something you'll remember, but also complex enough to ensure security. Once you've filled out these details, look for the Start Trial button. Clicking this will initiate the process. However, starting a trial requires entering payment information. This ensures a seamless transition if you decide to continue with the service once the trial period ends. Don't worry, you won't be charged without notice, and it's always good to double-check Udemy's billing policy during this step for any specifics on trial duration and cancellation. After entering your payment details, keep an eye on your inbox. Udemy will send you an email confirmation with further details on your free trial. This email will contain instructions, next steps, and any additional information you'll need as you begin exploring the Udemy business platform. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to unleashing a world of learning for your team. Don't hesitate to explore and make the most out of the resources available. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy your journey with Udemy Business.